we must continue our topic, that is the climate of India. For the yesterday's we have started the lesson. See, once while going to today's class, once we must revise what is for the yesterday's class. See, yesterday we have discussed about the what is the elements of the climate. Elements of the climate. We have discussed the elements of climate: sunshine, precipitation, humidity, atmospheric pressure, winds, clouds. These are the elements of the climate. And also we have discussed about the definitions of weather and climate. Weather and climate. What is the definition of weather? The state of atmospheric condition of an area over a short period of time. It may fluctuate day to day, hour to hour. And we have discussed about the climate. The definition of the climate. What is the definition of the climate? The average weather conditions of an area, of a larger area or a longer period, that is 30 years and above, that is known as climate. And also we have discussed that the graphs which shows about the weather and climate are known as climographs or climatographs. Climographs or climatographs. And we have discussed that what does the climograph shows? The climograph shows, that is, mean maximum temperature, mean minimum temperature, and mean rainfall. Okay, these are the topics so far we have discussed in our earlier class. See, my suggestion is, while you are listening to the class, it is better to have a textbook in front of you, because there are we can expect number of maps, pie charts, bar graphs in this social subject. So, if you have a textbook, we can easily follow by listening the class. See, after climographs in our textbook, lesson number 4, we will see 4 different types of climographs, 4 areas climographs. That is, the first one is Leh, which is present in the Kashmir, and second one is, next one is the Jaipur, which is present in the Rajasthan, and next one is Chennai, which is situated in the Tamil Nadu, and fourth one is Delhi. See, children, while we are observing these four different places climographs, we will have an idea about the Jammu and Kashmir is located in the northern part of India. Mostly Himalayas passes in this area, and we will have a clear idea that it is a hilly area, and we can expect a snowfall over the area. Jaipur, which is present in the Rajasthan, here we can see one type of climate. It is most of the Indian desert is present in the state of Rajasthan. If you observe the Delhi is the central part of India, which is extensively present in the northern plains of India. Which we have discussed in the first lesson, that is Indian relief features. That is in the 7 relief features, northern plains is one of the important relief features. If you observe the Chennai, Chennai is located in the sea coast. By this you will get a clear idea. What is the idea? India is having diversified type of climate and different regions. If you observe, we can observe the hilly areas, mountains, hilly areas, plains, plateaus, desert, and also coastal areas. Different diversity is present in the area, plant and animal life in the India. So definitely there will be lot of changes of pattern of climate in Indian climate. See, if you observe this, while observing these 4 climographs, you will see many fluctuations in Kashmir, Jaipur and Delhi. In terms of rainfall, in terms of temperature. You will see, if you clearly observe that bar graphs, you will see lot of temperature fluctuations and rainfall fluctuations in this area. But if you observe the place of Chennai, city of Chennai, you will observe less fluctuations in the rainfall and temperature. What is the reason? What affecting these things? We are going to discuss in our further topic. See, what are the factors which are influencing the climate of India? What are the factors which are influencing the climate of India. See what factors? These factors is also known as the climatic controls. Climatic controls. If you observe the Indian map, northern part of India had a wide differences between the southern part of India. Northern part of India is surrounded by the Himalayas, whereas southern part is surrounded by the oceans and seas. Oceans and sea. That's why India also known as the peninsular country. Why? Because what is the meaning of peninsula? What is the definition of the peninsula? If an area is covered by three sides of water. How many sides of water? Three sides of water. That region is known as a peninsular region. That is known as a peninsula. If an area covered by four sides of water, that area is known as an island. That area is known as an island. I think you are very, very familiar about these words in your first class. That is about the Indian peninsula and the islands. Okay. See, if a region covered by three sides of water, it is known as peninsula. If a region covered by four sides of water, it is known as island. It is known as a island. See, and also you can observe the southern part of India have the most coastline. Northern part of India is covered by the hilly areas. In India, some parts are present in the higher altitude. Some parts are present in the higher altitudes. In India, you can observe the plains, different types of plains. See, these are the different variety of things which are present in India. See, what are the factors affecting the climate of India? That factors are also known as the climatic controls. Climatic controls. Majorly, we will take the four factors that affect the climate of India. Four factors. For today's class, we are going to discuss about the two important factors. That is, the first one is latitude. The first one is latitude. See, what is meant by latitude? Mostly, we will have a clear idea. See, this latitude are an imaginary circuit which was drawn around the earth. It was drawn around the earth. See, if you observe the globe, see, the earth is divided into two equal halves by the 0 degrees latitude. 0 degrees latitude. See, based on the latitude, the earth is divided into three climatic zones. Three climatic zones. How many climatic zones? Three climatic zones. See, what are the three important climatic zones? See, the area which is near to the equator. This region is known as equatorial region or tropical region. The area which is present between 23.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees north, that is 20.5 degrees south and 23.5 degrees south. This region is known as the temperate region. What is the name of the region? Temperate region. And the area which is present near to the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole, that region is known as the polar region. What is the name of the region, Anna? Polar. What is the name of the region? Polar region. These are the three important climatic zones which the earth was divided. See, what is the name for this thing? Means our India. If you observe on the globe, our India, see, what is the important latitude which passes through India? That is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. By this, we can clearly say that, see, Tropic of Cancer. By this, we can say clearly that the southern part of India is present in the tropical area, whereas the northern part of India is present in the temperate region. Understood? See, the southern region lies in the tropical region, whereas the northern part lies in the temperate region. See, you also know that based on the latitude only, intensity of temperature and the insolation of the temperature difference. Where there is the lower latitudes, there will be more intensity of the temperature, and also it reduces the more insolation. That the amount of Earth's surface to hold capacity to hold the temperature also will be lower latitudes. By this, we can clearly observe that there will be lot of difference in the pattern of climate from the northern India to the southern India. Why? Because the southern part of India is in terms of latitude present in the southern part is present in the tropical area, whereas the northern part is present in the temperate region. This is one of the important factor which influence the climate of India. By this we can come an assumption that southern part will receive more heat and temperature compared to the northern part. So the southern India will have more hotter climate than the northern part of India. Why? Because the southern part is near to the equator, that is close to the equator. That is the reason why is the temperature variations between the northern part and southern part based on the latitude. Next, coming to the, if you observe the, see, that is the reason why the temperature difference is more between the Delhi to Kanyakumari. We can see two important different climatic temperatures between the Delhi and Kanyakumari. Next, we are going to discuss about the second factor. What is the second factor which influences the climate of India? That is land and water relationship. Land and water relationship. See, while discussing about this topic, we should have an idea about some of the terms. That is, coming to the, say, the amount of sunlight or heat receives by the earth depends upon the surface. Say, you imagine that, say, the darker areas means where the vegetative areas, where the forest receives more sunlight compared to the lighter areas like snowy areas or lighter areas. See, you should have a clear term. Why? Because darker objects are best observers, whereas the lighter objects are best reflectors. Means there will be difference between the darker objects and the lighter objects. In terms of Earth or India, what is the darker objects? That is vegetative areas. What are the lighter areas? That is nothing but snowy areas. By this, you can say that these darker objects receive more sunlight when compared to the lighter objects. This reflect back. The same amount of sunlight will be coming to the Earth, but because darker objects only receives more heat when compared to the lighter objects. And another important thing that is we must discuss that, say, when compared to the land and water. While discussing this about land and water, land takes less time to heat and less time to cool. See, the land, that is solid objects. Land is a solid object. It takes less time to heat and less time to cool. Whereas water, it takes more time to heat and it also takes more time to cool. See, you should remember the two important topics. That is, darker objects receives more heat, absorbs more heat when compared to the lighter objects, and also land takes less time to heat and less time to cool, and water takes more time to cool. See, in your 9th class we have discussed about the atmospheric pressure. Based on the atmospheric pressure, how the land and sea breeze will be occurs. Land breeze and sea breeze will be occurs. This is very important topic. That is especially regarding land and water relations. Now we are going to discuss how the land and sea breeze was occurring. See, for example, you can take that this is the area on the land, this is the area of land, and then this is the area of water. See, this is the area of water. See, this is the sunlight. This is the sun, and it is receiving the same amount of heat. See, as we discussed that this land takes less time to heat and less time to cool. By this we can say that among these two parts, this is land part, this is water part. Among these two parts, this part is heating quicker than this part. When the land was heated, the amount of atmospheric air present on the land also automatically increases. When this air is getting heating, automatically they will lose their weight, and to understand. Among the land and water, land takes less time to heat and less time to cool. So among these, on a sunny day, on the day, this occurring, everything occurring on the daytime. On the daytime, land is heating quicker than the water, and the amount of air present on the land also getting heated. They are losing their weight, and this when the air loses their weight, it automatically moves up, and here creates a low pressure. Which pressure? Low pressure. But here there will be the taking more time to heat. So here what happening here? There is a high pressure. There is a high pressure. You know that always winds moves from high pressure to low pressure. We know that in our earlier class we have discussed that always winds moves from high pressure to low pressure. Here automatically low pressure created. Here there is a high pressure. So these winds, the winds which are present on the sea, they will move on to the land. This breeze is known as sea breeze. This breeze is known as sea breeze. The movement of wind which moves from low pressure, high pressure to low pressure, high pressure to low pressure, that occurring on from the sea during that day, that is known as the sea breeze. What will happen in the night time? What will happen in the night time? See, this water body is fully heated. This body is automatically gets cooled. Automatically gets cooled. When this water body is get heated, the air present on this water automatically lose their weight, although and they will move up during the night time. During the night time, what will create here? Here there will be low pressure, where on the land it will be the high pressure. Automatically, always winds moves from high pressure to low pressure. So during the night time, the wind from the land moves to the sea, moves on to the sea. This breeze is known as a land breeze. This breeze is known as a land breeze. By this we can conclude that sea breeze occurs during the daytime, whereas land breeze occurs during the night. But you should have a clear idea. By observing all this time, this winds moves in a circulating pattern, and there will be no more fluctuations of the climate. This type of climate is known as equable climate. What is the type of the climate, Nana? What is the type of climate that is? Equable climate. What is the type of climate? Equable climate. What is the meaning of equable climate? There will be less temperature differences between the day and night, and also during the seasons. That type of climate is known as the equable climate. The type of climate is known as the equable climate. Very important topic. Very important topic. What is meant by equable climate? See, the temperature differences between the day and night and during the